The Chicago Brick Oven is just a fantastic unit to work with. Food comes out really wonderful, very even cooking, really high heat. Pizzas puff up nicely. We do fish in there, we do steaks in there. Do the best macaroni and cheese you've ever seen because of all the heat just gets it all crunchy and bubbly and oozing all over the place. Because the deck of the oven is fairly wide and the heat can get up to 800-900 degrees, we can do 2 to 3 pizzas at a time. Really works efficiently in a commercial environment when you're in a restaurant and you need to put out a good number of covers at a time. Chicago Brick Oven is great for us when we do private events. It allows us to customize the menu and give the guests something really unique and different than what we normally do.